Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a beginner-friendly way to earn money online? In this video, I will show you how to make real money using CPALEAD, a free CPA marketing platform where you earn cash when people complete simple tasks like filling out a form or downloading an app. So we need to know what is CPALEAD. CPA stands for cost per action. You get paid when someone completes a specific action like signing up, entering their email, or downloading an app. No purchase required. CPLEad is one of the easiest networks to start with as a beginner. Now, go to cplead.com. It's completely free and sign up. Click create an account. Now, start earning now. Click on it. Then choose option 1 from here, click get started. Now enter your name, email address, password, create a strong password, or you can also continue with your Google account. Then simply click the register button. Again, enter your basic information like full name, company name, email address, phone number, country name, then website URL, etc. Then go to login section and log into your account with your login credentials. On the dashboard, you will see offer name, country targeting, payout per lead, and conversion type. Filter by country or niche to find the right offers. Look for high converting mobile friendly offers with payouts from 50 cents to $5 per lead. Choose an offer relevant to your audience or niche. For example, if it's a giveaway, app, or survey, select one with board appeal. Click on the offer and copy your unique affiliate link. This is how you will get credit and earn. Instead of pasting raw links, use a free landing page tool like card.co, Google Sites, or Canva websites. Make a short, simple page describing the offer with a call to action button that links to your CPALEAD URL. This builds trust and increases conversions. Now promote your CPA links or landing page using free traffic methods. Create TikTok or YouTube shorts about giveaways, deals, or app reviews. Share in Facebook groups or comment sections. Use Pinterest pins or Reddit threads in relevant subreddits. Be sure to follow community rules and always add value before dropshipping links. If you want faster results, use paid ads like push notifications, Google Ads, or influencer shoutouts. Start small, $5 to $10 a day, and track your ROI. Always test before scaling. Track your results on the CPLE dashboard. Focus on click-through rate, conversion rates, and top performing traffic. Sources optimize based on what's working. Now, pros: no product needed. Free to join, fast payouts. Cons: not all traffic types are allowed. Some offers may be country restricted. Need consistent promotion effort. Tips: choose trending or evergreen offers. Focus on mobile-friendly links. Use short URLs or landing pages for higher trust. Be consistent with content marketing. From the Offers tab, click an offer like that. Quick cash for your opinion. Just click on it and follow the requirement, like only share with people from these countries, like United States. It's VPN. Use VPN. Proxy traffic is not allowed. You cannot complete your own offers. The traffic must be real, and we prefer social traffic. Then review the offer and install the app and follow the requirements. Then go to another offers, like quick cash for your opinion. Select it and click preview offer and follow the process from requirements. Now go to your publisher tab. Now you can click earning from here, like click start earning. Then enter your name, email address, company name, methods, etc. Go to advertise. You can create an account from here. You can also contact with the CPALEAD contract support. So that's how you will start earning with CPALEAD. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to show free traffic strategies in detail. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep watching. Stay with me.